Good morning. It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. What do I do when I'm walking Boba? I always find something on the street. So this guy had a garbage can sitting on top of another garbage can. So what does that mean? That means that he wants the garbage guys to take the garbage can because it's probably busted. So, you know, garbage cans are very expensive. I'm looking at the wheels here. They're okay. It's just here that's busted. Oh shoot, I can fix that. Not to mention my mother needs a new garbage can. So that's right, I have absolutely no shame. Just drag this home. And as you can see, there's a crack there. And usually if there's a crack there, there should be a crack here. But you know what? This is one of those good garbage cans. You know what I mean? It's got a lid, it's got big working wheels, and honestly, you're just putting trash in it. You know what I mean? These things can run for about $50 to $75. You know what I mean? So it's a substantial cost to buy a garbage can, and you always don't think about buying a garbage can. You know what I mean? It's not something that you feel like you want to invest money into. But because the majority of this garbage can is in good shape, you could easily fix these cracks. At least I think I can. And the reason why I'm doing a video on this is because I've never done a garbage can video before. Or have I? Anyway, I'm going to drill a couple of holes, a bunch, like along the parts that are busted, and then zip tie it so that it's solid. You know what I mean? I absolutely love these step-up drill bits that my friend Dan Charbonneau sent me recently. I've used it actually on my golf cart project, which I always dread because it's like kicking my ass, you know what I mean? It's been taking me like several months to get to a point where I am now, which I don't feel as much progress. Anyway, 2 seconds, man. You put this step-up drill bit on there, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So over here where the crack stops, I want to put a tight one. That's what you said. Right around here so it doesn't go anymore. See that? The more you push down, the bigger the hole gets. That's awesome. You know what I mean? We'll put another one here. You want to give it some space. And then right here, structurally, they have these grooves to structurally make it more solid. That's the only reason why they have this. And it's kind of like a design too. So if you put your hole right where the structure starts, the bend, it's stronger where it bends. Where it makes some type of, if you want to say it's integrated beam. I did take physics in college. Not architecture, physics. You gotta kind of hold it as you do. Now over here is where it's gonna be stronger, right? You need your zip tie to be big and strong. So because you have this wall here, right? You don't want the zip tie to go over the wall because this is not strong. So you do a big hole here, right in the center. And then I'm gonna make a hole through the wall so I can stick the, so I can get the zip tie through the wall. Because I don't want it to have to go over here, because if you have too much slack on the zip tie, it's not going to be strong. Oh, I can see that there's a crack here too, see? So that's a problem. I'll do a small one. And then I'll do one here.
go buy a new trash can.
It's just a trash can, man. I'm gonna spend $85, $100 on a trash can. My mom just throws leaves and branches in it anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna go through the whole thing now. So I've got a bunch of zip ties here, all assorted sizes. I got a big bag of these things. My subscriber Dom Whalen gave me these in a prior visit that he had with me, and I just wanted to show you that I use everything my subscribers give me in videos because well, I just use them. So I'm gonna stuff this through this big hole here, which is a structure area. You know, it's important to have a really strong structure here. And what I didn't think about was I need to put a hole through here to get it around. You know, I could just do that, but that's not good. I'd rather have it going through down there. So you just do another hole right there. So that passes through here. There we go. Anyway, you guys get the picture. I'm just going to go through all these holes with the zip ties and try to fix it up so that it's pretty solid for my mom to use to put leaves and twigs in. Hey honey, today I watched a video on how to fix a garbage can.
Really? Well, then you shouldn't have thrown away all those garbage cans. Cost a fortune.
So I'm going to just tighten the first one. The first one being the importantly structured area here. So I'm using a big zip tie and pulling it nice and tight. There. See that? Solid on there. Now I'm just going to go through do the same thing on the other side. See, look at that. There's no give now. It's super tight from here to here, and that's the important part. The most important part here is here and here. So I'll do another big one. So there you go. Two big ones there, and then little ones all along the seams there. And here's the most satisfying part of it. Clipping it. You make sure all of them are tight and you just clip it away. And it's just a garbage can, fellas. As long as it works, who cares? And this is how you fix a garbage can with zip ties. There you go. See? Sturdy. Good as new. Look at that. That's fantastic. That's a little bit different from what you guys are usually used to watching at my place, but not only do I pick the garbage for mowers, blowers, and all other kinds of stuff, right? If there's something that you need, well, not so much need, but I can't see them throwing this away when it's an easy fix, you know? Like I said, I've never bought a garbage can in my entire life. Now you know why. But I understand these things go for maybe 50 to 100 bucks for a garbage can. Isn't that silly? And with an easy fix, you can get a few more years out of this, you know? As long as the wheels are in good shape, you know what I mean? That's the big part of it. And my mom needs wheels, you know? There are garbage cans that you just drag, whatever, but she's almost 80. So for her to be able to get some exercise, she likes to rake leaves and put them in the garbage and break branches and throw them. That's her exercise, you know what I mean? And it gives her something to do. So she could use a bigger garbage can to put shit in. Anyway, that's how you fix an $80 garbage can with $1's worth of zip ties in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. Thanks all for joining me on today's brief garbage can recycling repair. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Jungle Bob in Birmingham, Alabama, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.